Look, I know starting a business is hard. It's not the get rich quick that you see promoted all over the place. It's a lot of days and nights of hard work, struggle, failing, figuring stuff out, realizing you don't know everything and realizing the more you learn, really the less you know. Entrepreneurship is a journey and it's full of ups and downs, and you just got to embrace it and learn every step of the way and just keep focused on your goal. If you don't have a goal, then you don't have a business. So start with your vision, start with your why do you want a business, and then that helps develop your goals. And when you have good goals, those are what carry you through the hard times. It's what keeps you focused and disciplined on what it is that you're trying to accomplish. If you're just trying to make money, you're going to actually lose interest, especially when you start making it. So start and grow.